Hey, welcome to the lake. This Ben with Studio on the Lake. This intro, you will only be seen. Hey, Ben here with Studio on the Lake. So here's the sunset that we had going this morning. So I guess it's a new day. I needed to get a video out here. So here's a commission piece. You're not going to learn a whole lot from this. It's just going to be a quick one over the world with me rambling. I will eventually get to where I'm carving every morning, probably Monday through Friday, something like that, in the morning. I have quit flying. I may reassess that after the beginning of the new year, but I'm no longer going down to Mason City, Iowa, and flying, and I'll rethink that after the holidays this year. So I will be getting back to the vampire kit, various different things. We've had quite a bit of snow. It has gotten quite cold for early in the year. It's 1 degree here this morning. And hey, I just want to thank Jordy Johnson. I talked with him a week or two ago. Everybody was speculating that I was building the new studio. I really haven't had a chance to work on that, so that's going to be a spring project for sure, with other things. But hey, Just Carb Rob, thanks for reaching out. Mike, thanks for reaching out. I've got so many emails and comments. I just want to let everybody know I'm going to make it, I think, forward here, but it's been a rough couple months. Hey, thanks a lot. This has been Ben with Studio on the Lake, and I hope to see you on the next one, and thanks for hanging in there with me.